Hello guys, welcome to Aura Thoughts. My name is Avinash Pottigodu. I have started manual testing real-time project series. So this is the my first video in my series. The main intention of this series is to provide end-to-end manual testing real-time project videos, like how the software companies will follow in software testing. So I want to explain that thing. So this series will help to get job quickly for freshers, and for experienced people it will gain some knowledge. Please do subscribe guys. Before going to teach manual testing, so every IT aspirant should know some points about software industry. Now I want to explain about software industry little bit. uh, it will definitely use to you, like, so I want to explain like types of software companies, what are the different departments in software company, so what are the levels of software companies, like software development process, software development life cycle, software development models. If you understand these basic things, then it will help more to you in real time. So types of software companies. See, in software companies, some software companies will have only 0 to 100 employees, and some companies 101 to 1,000 employees. Some companies more than 1,000. So we will call it as like company who has 0 to 100 employees. We will call as like small range companies. Mid-range companies means 101 to 1,000. Large companies means more than 1,000. So, and every company, like we know most of the companies we heard like TCS, Cognizant, Wipro, Capgemini, FactSet, and Entity Data. So these type of companies, everyone know already. So why they know these type of companies? Why they don't know like mid-range companies, small range companies? So why? The reason is, so these companies are more popular than small companies, and they these companies are well established and well organized. That's why these companies are growing very well. So according to the CMMI, so they will provide some levels to the companies. Level 5 company means it is well organized, process based company. So I'll explain like little bit more on this. See, level 1 company means it is a initial stage, and this is a poorly controlled and reactive basis. And level 2 means it is little bit better to it is little bit better than level 1. Level 3 means it is little bit better than to level 2. So if anyone started initial stage, anyone started the company initial stage, they should improve like day by day. See, they should improve the process, they should improve the product base, like, so they should improve more and more, then they will reach definitely level 5. So level 5 means, so it is a well organized company and they are focused on process improvement. So if any company got CMMI level 5 certificate, so that is a good, well organized company. So we can join these type of companies without any negative thought. So we can join to these type of companies, level 5 companies. So, and lot of people don't know like how many departments in available in software company. They should think like software company means, lot of people think software company means like only uh, all people are softwares. That is completely wrong, guys. So in software company, lot of departments are there like HR department, finance department, marketing department, development, quality assurance means testers, then DevOps, SAP, support, database, networking. So some like lot of departments are there. So in software company, uh, not only for software. So it is a combination of all departments. So HR department will taking care of the hiring and leaves and salaries. So these kind of activities like really, some companies will resign. Some like human resource, HR means human resource. They will mainly focused on like hiring and leaves and salaries, counting like everything. They will take care of that. And finance team they will transfer to the salaries to employees, and they will completely calculate like if anyone got increment and any employee leave, so they will remove their name in the uh, finance portal, like so they will work on completely. So finance side and marketing people, so marketing people will work on to get projects, and they will work on like popular our products, company products. So then development team will work on the actual products, actual software development, and quality assurance team will work on so to test the software. So which software developed by the development team they will test, and DevOps team, some companies DevOps team they will use for like deployment of things, and SAP. So there is a different technology SAP. So, and supporting teams and database teams and networking teams. So, a lot of departments are there. Then, and we are looking for job in the software industry, right? So, we should know the how the software development process is there. They will how the process they will follow. So, first, the marketing people see if we want to join as a tester or a developer, if we want to join a company, so in that company definitely they must have projects. So without project, so no development will happen, no testing will happen, so nothing. So definitely the company should have the projects. How they will get the projects? So the process is marketing people will work on the to get projects. So they will follow up, they will get projects. Once we get the project, then management team, development managers, finance team, HR team, and like CTO means chief technology officer. Like this type of team will coordinate, sit together, and they will talk about like resources, finance, like if we do this project will we get like profit or loss, so how many days it will take to complete this project. They will uh, do some little bit research, and they will sit together and finalize the project. Once the project is finalized, then the project is moved to development team. In the development team, mostly we have like 6 to 10 members for each team. See, if we get large product, means like big product, it will like they will divide into small pieces. Like they will develop by category. They will develop by uh, like admin modules. They will develop by little bit things, and they will assign separate modules to separate teams. So each team, um, most of the teams have like 6 to 10 members. It depends on a project. So they will work on the project. In the 6 members, Um, one manager, and two or three developers, one or two testers, and one scrum master, and one PM is business analyst. So these people definitely will have in one team. So if you join in any software company, so you should communicate with these people. So every team definitely have these members, like one manager, development team, like 2 to 3 members, and tester team 1 to 2 members. Or if the project is big, sometimes 3 to 4 developers will available and 2 to 3 testers will available. Then one or two BM is business analyst. Like they will collect the information from the client, and they will like mediators between product managers and managers, uh, and clients. They will mediate between clients and product managers, product owners. So this is the process of like to start project in software company. This is the process will happen in before we start the project. So project should get by the marketing people, then the management will decide we will go with this project or not. Then the project will come to the team. So once the project is finalized, the team is finalized, then so how the software will develop. So main this is the main task of the project. So some companies see, if we want to complete the project, we should know the process where we want to start, where we want to end. So for that, so software industry was taken like one process to develop a software. So first they will collect the requirements from the client, then they will design. Then team will develop the project, testing team will test the project, deployment team, sometimes the project deployment will happen by the DevOps team, sometimes product owner, sometimes it's like developers. So then maintenance. This is the process every company will follow to complete the software. So first they will collect the requirements, then they will design the project structure, then they will do development, then they will do testing, then they will do deployment. Deployment means the project will go to the live, then maintenance. So see, this is the 6 major tasks. Just look at these tasks. See, requirement collection will do. BM is business analyst. Sometimes BA will collect the information. Sometimes product owner will collect the information from the client, and the architect team will design the use cases, and the project project design they will complete. Then they will send to the designs to development team. Then they will develop the project. After develop the project, testing team will test. Then they will deploy into the server. So this is the process actually to develop a software. So and we have a different methods, different models we have in software development. Like so waterfall model to develop a software. See, for example, if you want to go one place to another place, you need to follow some basic things, like you need to go to the bus stand, and uh, you need to take the ticket. Then you will travel. Then you will reach your destination place. This is the 4 step to go one place to another place. So the same process, once the project came to the company, if you want to complete that project, you need to know the where we need to start, where we need to end. So for that, to complete that project, which model, which process we should follow. So we have a different models. Like, so if for example, if you want to go one place to another place, you have a lot of choices. Like you can go with a bike, you can go by bus, you can go by train. So like that, we have a different models. We have to develop a software like waterfall model, V model, spiral model, Big Bang model, Ajay model. So a lot of models are there. So nowadays, each and every company is following Agile model. So the Agile model is very good software development model. It is very simplify the work. So that's why it is very famous nowadays. So this is the overall issue, guys. See, come to the testing part. So actually, this is the series I started for only testing, completely practical testing, how the software companies will follow. So the tester part will come here. So once the development is done, then tester will test. So this is the part we are going to work in the real time. Hope this information is used to you. So if this information is uh, used to you, please do subscribe, guys. So I'll do more videos on testing. So thank you, guys.